Greetings, Gray Paladin here, where you will find unboxings, reveals, and reviews of Star Wars lightsabers. Here I have a package from a Facebook seller, and this is going to be a Korbanth Sid 2.0. Let's crack it open, give it a look. This should be the full kit. Therefore, there are no electronics. It is not installed. I will be doing that myself. Very well packaged. Thank you very much. Nice and safe. Okay. So this smaller pouch here are going to be all of the components. There we have the customized blade plug, and as well as the LEDs that can be placed on the side of the hilt. I'll pull all those out so you can give that a see. Screws. There is the plug. And all of the LED holders and casings. There's a lot there, but you can see there's the lens, there's the housing unit, and how it's mounted into the hilt. There's another plug, the brass top. It almost looks like one that came from the custom saber shop. I use this in my Saberforge Vanquish as well. Gives that a nice look. Okay. Get those out of the way, and now to the hilt. As I said in a previous video, I'm working on starting to do my own installs. So this will be one of my project sabers where I will do install fully myself. Now we all know Darth Sidious, the Dark Lord of the Sith, and this is his hilt. Very beautiful. I think he has a very elegant lightsaber, surprising for someone who is so dark and was able to eliminate all the Jedi with Order 66. But you see it has the rose powder coat on there. And his hilt is significantly smaller, obviously a one-handed saber, because he did dual wield. If you ever watch the Clone Wars series, the cartoon, which is now on Disney Plus, unfortunately off of Netflix. But smaller hilt, so this will be interesting to install. But I'm very much looking forward to doing that. And this will obviously will not be dueling with this one. This will definitely be one for display, a shelf queen, if you will. But there's the inside of the empty hilt. You can see all the way through there. Elegant saber. Very nice. Looking forward to completing the install on this one. I'm not sure what I'll put in it yet. Either a CFX, possibly a Nano Biscotti, V4, who knows, maybe even an NEC Spark Color 3, but I will be updating you on that install as it goes. That's going to look really nice in there once that's done, seeing that that solid brass plug in there. So, very nice saber. And if you would like to catch updates on this additional content, please feel free to subscribe, and that way you can be up to date on all of my future content and all other Star Wars related lightsaber things. So there you have it. This is the Korbanth kit of the Sid 2.0, the hilt of Darth Sidious, the Dark Lord of the Sith himself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And to catch more, give us that subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and may the Force be with you.